Please check if anything is missing. Please note that the sizes of the two ends are different. One end is small and the other end is large. Assemble these two ends together. Make sure this part is tightened. Then we will assemble these two ends together again. Make sure this part is tightened. When the handle and the brush head are not in the same direction, it will be inconvenient to use. Rotate this part to ON. Then apply force to both sides, and you can adjust the length of the brush head and the direction of the brush head rotation. Now the brush head and the handle are in the same direction. After you have adjusted the angle and length to the appropriate settings, you can rotate this part to OFF. In this way, the length and angle of the shower scrubber will not change while you are using it. Note that there are protruding parts here, and they need to be aligned with each other when you install it. Make sure the brush head is snapped into place. If you want to remove the brush head or replace it, you just need to apply force in two different directions to take it off. The same goes for other brush heads. Press the switch once to start the shower scrubber. Press it again to increase its rotation speed. Press it once more to turn off the shower scrubber. Plug the Type-C interface of the data cable into the port of the shower scrubber. And then connect the USB-A port to your own adapter to charge the shower scrubber. When you are charging, the light will flash. When the battery is fully charged, the light will stay on constantly. Disassemble the shower scrubber just like in a video.